Hi, I'm Stephen Power. I'm a professional photographer and video maker based in County Kerry in Ireland, and welcome to this diversion from the usual Skellig ring photography workshop videos, which I'm calling BRANCHLINE, which will be a series of videos, hopefully quite a number as we go on, based around my endeavour to create a model railway. And I thought I'd explain briefly how it came to be, and the answer is I'm not really sure, except that where I live is a beautiful part of the country, but over the winter the weather can be quite wet and windy, stormy even. In fact, I can hear a storm outside as I'm making this video, so I wanted something to do over the winter. And my father, God rest him, had a job where for nearly 40 years he drove a shunter train. So I wanted to try and remember him in some way as well. And as I live alone, then model railways is something I can do by myself. But I also wanted something that would challenge me and put me on a new learning curve. So, and I've certainly discovered that a model railway is something that involves a lot of new learning. So I wanted to see whether I could create a series of videos where I'm going through the stages of setting up the setting up the railway, and then running it, buying trains, making kits, all sorts of different things that are involved, and some things, but a lot of things I didn't realise were involved really. And you might find that interesting for the model railway enthusiasts out there. The comments are below so that you can show me how it should be done or offer advice. That side of my life shouldn't take a back seat while I'm doing the railway, and those of you who are interested in photography might also be interested in the fact that I'm going to try and photograph the model railway as I go along, which is a skill in itself, using macro lens and various types of stacking for photographs to make sure the sharpness is right and that sort of thing. So do stick around for these videos and I might be able to demonstrate some photographic techniques as we get into it. Just to show you, the first model train, Loco, that I bought is this tiny little Hornby shunter, a Ruston Hornsby actually, which just fits into the palm of my hand there, with this connected flatbed truck at the back. Not sure if you can see this, but this is almost identical to the train that my father drove. So that's to try and commemorate him as well. And to photograph something like that would be extremely complex, really, to get it right. So there is something there that we can look at further down the line. I've got 4 Locos at the moment, locomotives, and this is the largest of them, a Tornado, Hornby Tornado. I've also got one with sound that I'll show you at some point. Now, actually, talking about learning curves, these are not trains, okay? So, which something I've discovered recently. The Locos or locomotives, maybe engines. I'm sure the purists will tell me if I've got that right, but certainly not trains. Okay, a train is the thing that's got the loco and the carriages or the wagons behind it, as in a camel train. Lots of different camels joined together. So that's a learning curve I've been on already. I really hope you enjoy this diversion. Hope that you don't think I'm going on the wrong track, or that I've gone loco, and hope you'll stick around and watch my journey on this new departure into my foray into model trains. See you again soon.